Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Grove collaborative haul for you. I got a lot of fall seasonal things and a lot of other things as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my haul this month, go ahead and stick around for this video. Alright you guys, so I just opened my box right here. I'm just going to take things out and show them to you as I unbox them in real time. So we'll go ahead and start with the item that's the biggest thing in here covering everything up. And that is this huge paper towel, or this huge bag of paper towels, I should say. There are 6 paper towels in here. This is actually a Grove collaborative brand called Seedling, and I did not pay anything for these. If you're new to my channel, then I will tell you Grove gives you so many free products all the time. If you're not new to my channel, you know I tell you all the time that I got this for free this month or whatever. So if you're new to my channel, Grove Collaborative is, I always subscribe them as the Amazon Prime of cleaning products. You pay a low yearly membership, it's only $20, and you get free shipping every month on an unlimited amount of items. And you get your money back very quickly. I have received well over $20 worth of products for free from them. So I would highly recommend going and signing up for it because I love it. It's amazing. If you're interested in trying it at the end of this video, go check in my description box and I have a link that will take you to where you can sign up, and just for using that particular link, you're gonna get a bunch of free items. So you're gonna get a 5 free gift set, and it's really great. So anyways, let's get back to the haul. So these are ultra absorbent paper towels. There's 6 jumbo paper towels. It says it's compared to 12 regular rolls, but I got this for free because they said they were shipping out my box a little bit later, and so they threw these in to make up for it. So I was not even mad. Not that I would be mad anyways, because it takes a lot to really make me mad, but you guys get what I mean. That is not the only free thing that I got this month. These items that I'm about to show you were also given to me for free this month just because I spent so much money. They threw in some free stuff. So the first free item is this bar of soap right here. It is cedar and sage, and oh my gosh, I can smell it sitting right here. It smells so good. I love earthy smells. Cedar and sage is definitely an earthy smell. I cannot get it out of the box. Here we go. I have used their soap before and I did really like it. It's just a very natural soap like you would get from like a natural grocery store. But this one smells so amazing, so amazing. If you love those earthy kind of like essential oil kind of smells, you will love Grove's bars of soap. They're really good. I had the oatmeal, I think I had the oatmeal lavender if I remember. But anyways, again, this one is the cedar and the sage, and I got it for free. With the bar of soap, they also sent this bamboo soap saver. So I'll stick this on the side of my bathtub, and it just sits on top of it like that. Another free item I got this month, it is this candle, and it's in the lavender and bergamot. I love anything lavender. You guys know that. If you are a returner to my channel, you know how much I love my lavender scent. It smells really good. Again, I definitely smell the lavender and it smells very earthy. I cannot wait to burn this. This would be a perfect one to burn right before you go to bed, or like maybe on the side of your bathtub. It just smells really good. It says it's 100% soy. And yeah, again, it's in the lavender and bergamot. I also grabbed some more of my favorite fall items before they were gone because they are just seasonal items. So I got another of the apple cider hand soaps. This is one of my favorite fall scents. It smells amazing. I also got it in the multi-surface cleaner. Again, it's in the apple cider. It's the Mrs. Meyer's. You guys know I love this stuff. We go through like probably 2 bottles of this a month. And then I also went ahead and grabbed it in the dish soap because you guys know last time I bought 2 of the pumpkin spice scent and I just do not like it at all. I do not like it. But you know what? My mother-in-law likes it. So maybe maybe the scent's not 100% terrible. I think it's terrible, but she said she loved it. So yeah, I guess it just depends on who you are. But anyway, so I got 3 products in the apple cider scent. And then I just got 1 of the acorn spice because I still have some from last month, but this smells so, so good. Again, I would describe it as like a vanilla cinnamon kind of a scent. It smells really great. We love this stuff. And this is a new product for me this month. I went ahead and got the Citrus Castle Soap, and I haven't tried the citrus scent, so I'm very excited to see how strong the citrus is on it. And it's pretty strong. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. It smells straight up like a orange essential oil or something like that. So I would assume that this works just like all of the other Castle soaps. This is a Grove Collaborative brand. So it's an 8 ounce, and I think I paid right around $6 for it. So I thought that I would give this a try. I'll definitely be letting you guys know in the future how I like this. And my last items this month, I'm so excited about these. I have wanted these for so long. They are the wool dryer balls. I've wanted them because I've heard that people will drop essential oil on these and then put them in their dryer. So I'm definitely excited to try that. Again, this is the Grove Collaborative brand. It just says wool dryer balls, and it says that they are 100% pure New Zealand wool. And I was gonna see if it said, it does say, so it says for a lovely natural scent, add 3 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oils to the wool dryer balls. So it's definitely what I'm gonna do. Probably some lavender or something like that, and throw this in with my laundry. Very excited to try these. Let me know in the comment section below if you use, or if you have used, the wool dryer balls and if you like them. All right, you guys, so that is my Grove Collaborative haul this month. Again, if you are interested in trying it, definitely go and click my link below. That way you can try it out for free, by the way, as well as receive that free 5-piece gift set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.